I'm Chankali Kumari. Today we are going to discuss about very serious topic, that is India is a rich but Indians are poor. Now my friend will give his opinion.
Good morning everyone. My topic is India is rich but Indians are poor. We are a rich nation with a poor populations. Those who ruled benefited their own family. Usually Prime Minister gave birth to a Prime Minister and a Chief Minister gave birth to a Chief Minister and so on. Democracy is being close to non-existence. All these words are given by our earlier Union Minister Nitin Gadkari. But you can see all these sentences describes the true picture about the present condition of our country, India. Poor are becoming more poorer and rich become more richer. We know that India is a country of diverse cultures, diverse opinion and diverse monolithic thinking. But even then, our country are not far better in a good conditions like America, like Japan, like Russia, and we have to change this. There are various of reasons which generated this problem. Number one, lack of education among the poorer. Number two, people of our country is not getting affected by his fundamental right like right to vote, which is also called as adult franchise. Number three, poor implementation of the government policies, which will far better improve the condition of our poorer. Number four, people are continuously not getting, people are continuously not engaging themselves in the proper opportunity. They are getting some opportunity, even then they are not, helpful to for this better livelihood and better lifestyle. So at last I want to say that our condition of our poor will be improved only if the government will look upon these things. Government will apply on these new policies for the improvement of the poorer. India has a various resources present in our country, like coal, like gold, like iron, and lots of factories are running in our India. And these factory needs worker, and the worker that engaged there is basically a poorer person, and they are not getting a proper wages. Even then, they work for hardly 18 to 20 hours per day. So if the government will look upon this situation, government will provide them the proper facilities, and also we know that the people who are below poverty line are also getting free rations, but the food they get are not so suitable for their eating. They contain insects. Is this our India? Is this our India? I am asking you a question. We can't answer that India is a developed country, but Indians are poor, because in India the richer person become richer because they are continuously doing this corruption. Even a small person in the government employee doing the corruption, and lots of the democratic bureaus like CBI are not getting fetched to these people. So it will only conquer, it will only be a suitable country only if we can look upon this situation and the government will make a strict law for this. Thank you.
As my friend said about that, the Nitin Gadkari. Yes, from one time Nitin Gadkari had said that India is a rich nation with poor population. If we will tell about that, the source and other things, then we can find that in India everything present. If we will tell about that the climate, then there is a pleasant climate present. In citizens of India are educated as well as talented and hard worker also. If we are telling about that the minerals, then there is a plenty of minerals present. India produces 87 minerals, in which 4 fuels, 10 metallic, 47 non-metallic, 3 atomic and 23 other minor minerals. India produces largest in the world micro blocks and micro splitting. Then the question is that if we have as much resource, as much minerals, then why we are suffering from the poverty? There is a number of causes behind it. We can say that they are due to the government policy, lack of education, lack of health facility, many more. But even we can say that the one mentality, it is the main thing of the poverty. If you will tell about that the category, then we can divide the Indian citizen to 3 categories. One is the poor, and second is we can say that the neither rich nor poor, and third is the rich. If we will tell about that the mentality of the poor person, then their mentality is that if I will send my child in a school, it is the better than I will send my child to the for the world. If they will work as a labor, then it's a much beneficial that they will earn money even. But they are not giving too much value to the education. It is the main point that if we are not giving value to the education, then how is it possible that we can develop? And if they want to send, then sure they will send their children in a government school. And we all are aware about that the facility of the government school. Which type of facility is present? If you will ask the student of the poor person who is going to the what we can say that the government school, then they will see that I'm just going for a meal, not for the education. And even the discipline of the teacher is not well, then how can we say that the whatever the children is going in a government school, they will get proper education and discipline. And if we will tell about that the facility, health facility, then we can find that many poor person who is suffering from the small disease, but even then they can't able to get as much facility of the health facility. And if they will choose that the government hospital, even they can't able to get as much facility or as much medicine even. So how can we think that our country will be developed if the mentality is not developed? And one more thing I want to say about that, the policy. Okay, there's lots of policy, government policies present. Even then, the poor are not getting as much facility whatever they are capable for getting due to the bad policy of the government. So if we begin to count that the problems which is the reason by which we can't able to develop, our country is not able to develop, why the poor person are only present, then we can get that the many things are there. So at last I want to say that if we will think that yeah our country should be developed, then we should remove that poor.
As my friend said that India is rich but Indians are poor, I am totally agree with them whatever they have mentioned. And we all know friends that unlike the regular political speeches, minister words struck a chord. Since independence, India's ruler become rich but not its people. Government is the owner of the wealth of India. The central government controls vast resources, including thousands of hectares of public land, lakh of crore of mineral resources, and through its stake, more than 300 public sector undertakings. And in addition, central government have also their own share of wealth. The people of India collectively own wealth called public wealth, which is in the form of public land, mineral, public sector corporation, etc. The government is the trustee of wealth of the people for the benefit, but we have barely derived any benefit from that. New research estimates suggest that over 1500 lakh crore, which is the wealth of the India, but which is equivalent to rupees 50 crore of every Indian family of the 5 people. We all know that government is the trustee of the people, trustee of the wealth of India, but we have barely getting any benefit. So it's time for us to demand this wealth return back from in the form of Dhan Wapsi. It will allow the government to give attention on the core functions such as upholding the rule of law, maintaining defense, and providing public infrastructure. It will also allow the government. It will also make the reality by selling the public assets which are remaining idle with the central government and distributing the proceeds among the people of India. We all know that India is the second largest country which is below poverty line. According to the Tendulkar Committee, 22% of the people which is below poverty line. So the wealth of the India, which is often taken from them by unjust means, it's time to demand back. So it is to rectify the mistake of the past. So it is the most accountable and transparent ways to put India into a prosperity way of India. Thank you.